time I make pastry dough, it ends up being either too flaky or too soggy. What am I going to do about it? Easy. First of all, I'm going to show you how to make a proper short crust. Now, what is a short crust? Short crust is when there's butter in it. There's quite a lot of butter. It makes it crumblier and it makes it nicer. I've 250 grams of flour, then I'm going to put the butter in. So what I'm doing is I'm literally taking the butter and just putting it into the flour itself. So I'm putting some icing sugar. Now, I noticed it was a bit lumpy, so I'm putting it through the sieve. Okay? I'm going to put in about 4 tablespoons water. I'm also going to put in 2 egg yolks. Now, to have a good pastry, you should be able to immediately roll it out straight away. Put a bit of brown flour, don't worry about those bits. I'm going to bring this up, bingo, and I've got myself a delicious, lovely short crust. Don't press too hard. You take it out like that. Trick is the next trick. Put it into form. A pastry brush. We're now going to put it, find the middle. Now this is perfect pastry. There we are. Done. Take this piece of pastry paper and it goes really into the sides, and I'm going to pour rice in the top. You can use beans, rice or anything, but because of the weight, it will keep that pastry down. Pop it in the oven and I cook it for 25 minutes, well 20 minutes then an extra 5. And that's how you make the perfect short pastry.